In this tutorial, we will see step-by-step guidance on generating a design rule check report, reviewing rule violations, and navigating to problematic areas within the design. Design rule checking, also known as DRC, is a powerful automated feature that checks both the logical and physical integrity of a design. Checks are made against any or all enabled design rules and can be made online in real time as we design or as a batch process, with results listed in the software's messages panel and an optionally generated report. This feature should be used on every routed board to confirm that minimum clearance rules have been maintained and that there are no other design violations. It is particularly recommended that a batch mode design rule check always be performed prior to generating final artwork. To open the design rule checker, go to Tools, then Design Rule Check. In the folder tree pane on the left side of the dialog, each of the design rule categories whose rule types can be checked are listed under the Rules to Check folder. Click on this top-level folder to list all checkable rule types on the right side of the dialog. Alternatively, click on a specific category to list only those design rule types associated to that category. Use the dialog to enable and disable online, where available, or batch mode, checking for each rule type you want to check. Online design rule checking runs in the background, in real time, flagging or automatically preventing design rule violations. This is especially helpful when interactively routing our board to immediately highlight clearance, width, and parallel segment violations. Online DRC only detects new violations, that is, violations that are created after the feature is enabled. Batch DRC allows a check to be manually run at any time during the board design process. While online DRC is valuable, board design should always begin and end with a batch DRC. Various additional options are available when running a batch DRC, including the ability to generate a report file. These options are accessed by clicking on the Report Options folder in the folder tree pane of the dialog. For our training, we will enable the Create Report File and Create Violations options. The Create Violations option will allow Altium to highlight violations within the design space. It will also ensure violations are listed within the PCB Rules and Violations panel. To run the Design Rule Checker, select the Run Design Rule Check button. The Messages panel automatically appears, only if there are violations. This is one area where any violation details are listed. The Design Rule Verification report will generate, showing the number and the type of violations. We can scroll down to the Rule Violations section to see the violated rules. Let's click on a violation under the Unrouted Net Constraint list in the report. It will open the PCB document and zoom to the violating area. In this video, we have explored the process of running a design rule check, including how to generate a report, and using the report to review and locate violations.